Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by securing the essentials: your admit card, roll number, and registration ID. Once done, open the official NTA Answer Key portal or the PDF on a reliable desktop browser. Mobile can misalign pages. Make sure to note the paper code and session printed on your admit card so you match keys correctly. Then, download the answer key and the question paper if available, and save both to a local folder. This immediate alignment prevents mismatches later when you start marking answers. Now compare each of your recorded answers to the published key, question by question. Use a consistent marking system on your notepad: green for confirmed correct, red for wrong, yellow for doubtful, so you don't lose track. Tally correct and incorrect counts as you go. Apply the exam's marking scheme precisely. Add the full marks for each correct answer and subtract the prescribed negative marking for wrong ones. Keep a running subtotal after every 10 questions to catch any transcription mistakes early. Finally, sum your tallies to compute the raw score, then format it according to the exam rules, round only if specified. Once you have the provisional score, compare it with the expected cutoffs for your category to estimate qualification chances. If a discrepancy or doubt remains, use the official challenge window to submit objections with evidence. Keep screenshots and timestamps. If things go wrong, recheck that you match the exact question numbers and version code between your paper and the answer key before filing any challenge.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.